Reading is often seen as a source of knowledge or a form of entertainment. But did you know it's also a powerful tool for happiness? Studies show that reading can significantly improve your mental and emotional well-being. But why does this happen? What's the science behind the joy we feel when we dive into a good book? When you read, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. Whether you're immersed in a gripping story, learning something new, or escaping into a different world, reading creates a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. Moreover, books provide a safe space to explore emotions, process thoughts, and find clarity. Whether it's through relatable characters or inspiring ideas, reading often gives us the tools to handle life's challenges. Let's explore how this works and why it's so effective. One of the reasons reading makes us happier is its ability to reduce stress. Studies have shown that just 6 minutes of reading can lower stress levels by up to 68%. When you immerse yourself in a book, your heart rate slows, your muscles relax, and your mind shifts away from daily worries. It's like a mini vacation for your brain. Additionally, reading enhances emotional health by helping you process and understand your feelings. Fiction, in particular, allows you to step into the shoes of characters and experience different perspectives, which can build empathy and emotional intelligence. These benefits not only improve your relationships, but also make you feel more connected to the world. If this resonates with you, there's so much more to uncover. Subscribe to The Essential Reader and like this video to explore how books can transform your life, one page at a time. Let's keep going. Another way reading contributes to happiness is by fostering resilience and optimism. When you read stories of characters overcoming challenges or learn about real-life success stories, it inspires you to persevere in your own life. Books show us that difficulties are temporary and that growth often comes from struggle. Nonfiction, especially self-help or inspirational works, provides practical advice and new perspectives that help you navigate tough times. Meanwhile, fiction creates a sense of hope by reminding us of the beauty and possibility in the world. Even in fantasy or science fiction, the triumph of good over evil or the exploration of new horizons fuels a positive mindset. Reading also gives you tools to cope with adversity. It allows you to explore complex emotions in a safe environment, helping you process and make sense of your own experiences. Let's move to the final part, where we'll tie all these insights together and discuss how to make reading a consistent source of happiness. Stay tuned. Now that we've explored how reading reduces stress, builds emotional intelligence, and fosters resilience, the question is, how do you make reading a consistent part of your life to maximize these benefits? Start by carving out time in your day for reading. It could be in the morning to set a positive tone for the day, or at night to unwind and relax. Even 15 minutes a day can make a big difference. Create a comfortable reading space, one that feels inviting and free from distractions. Choose books that truly resonate with you. Whether it's fiction, nonfiction, or poetry, pick stories and ideas that inspire, comfort, or challenge you. Keep a list of books you want to explore so you always have something to look forward to. And don't forget to share your reading journey with others. Discussing books with friends or joining a book club adds a social aspect to reading, which can further enhance your happiness. If this guide has inspired you to make reading a daily habit, don't stop here. Subscribe to The Essential Reader, like this video, and join our community of readers who believe in the transformative power of books. Let's make reading a lifelong source of joy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.